Hello everyone, how are you all? Am I audible? Am I audible? Am I audible? Okay, I can see any one of you are here right now. So who is this? Please mention your name if you're in online. Today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic on HTML which is called HTML table and HTML list. Actually HTML list and HTML table actually. So this is for class 7th and 8th, and for those students also who are doing any HTML course right now. So HTML list we are going to discuss today. How many types of list are there? Different types of list, HTML attributes, list attributes. Is nested list is possible or not? And tables we are going to discuss, like how many tables are there, and uh, different types of rows, different types of columns are available or not. Okay, so these we are going to discuss today. Okay, so let's wait for others so they can come also. How many tables are there, and different types of rows, different types of columns are available or not. Okay, so these we are going to. Okay, I am checking my voice that it is completely audible. It's completely audible, and yes, I can see one of. Okay, who is this? It's Utkarsh. Okay, hello Utkarsh. It's not good evening. Good evening. How are you, Utkarsh? I hope I am audible. Utkarsh. Utkarsh is my student in. He's in ninth B right now, and he's very curious about computers. He's good in computers. He's code very well. He's good in Python also. And Utkarsh? Yes. Okay, very good. So I'm waiting for others also, that few students are coming in the live sessions, so I can start. I can see few students are there right now. I hope also it is a streaming right now, live streaming. Correct, Utkarsh? Yes. Is it live streaming also right now? So anyone can, if you are in my subscriber, you can subscribe my channel, so you can easily see that it is right now, it is a live session, so you can easily check it out. Yes, so I can also discuss about some CSS, means cascading style sheet. With the help of cascading style sheet, how can I create a beautiful table or beautiful HTML list? Few students are said yes. Yes, very good. So few students said that sir, how can I change the bullets in the HTML, because it is only fixed. It is fixed. That's only number. Sorry, it's only disk and square and circle is available. So with the help of CSS, we can easily. Hello, 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 sir. Vinay sir is also there right now. Vinay sir, hello. How are you? Vinay sir is also there right now. So Vinay sir have also a channel, YouTube channel, and he is also good in creating videos. So because it is a Diwali night, so I think that let's just discuss few points which may be help to others also. Correct, Vinay sir? Yes. I can also feel good to whenever I am coming in live. Students' responses in live are so good. Happy Diwali, okay. Happy Choti Diwali. Today is the Choti Diwali in India. Choti Diwali means tomorrow is a, yeah, Diwali. So we will celebrate the Diwali festival at night. There's a very unique thing in the Diwali night. You know that it's totally dark night. Means it is Amavasya. So Diwali जो होती है वो अमावस्या के दिन होती है. It's totally night, and when you see the sky at the night, when the all around are sparkles and crackers are there in the sky, a beautiful scene you can see in the sky. Yes, even it is not government also trying to ban some crackers also, but somehow we Indians can manage. Yes. So there's one student, yes, creepy. Good evening, yes, creepy. Please mention your name also. Yes, creepy. Creepy pie. Okay. Chalo. So I'm going to start. 7 minutes are already passed, and I'm waiting for the students also. 7 minutes are also already passed, so I'm going to start. The student who missed the starting, so they can see in the recording option as well. Yes, correct. So only 3 4 participants are there right now. Good evening. Okay, I can speak out loud. There is one option also, the speak out loud ना. Speak loud ऐसे कुछ होता है ना उत्कर्ष? क्या होता है speak loud? क्या होता है speak loud? नहीं, loud of loud name ऐसा करके कुछ होता है ऑप्शन में. Okay, so you can mention your name, so I can uh, easily tell your name and your channel name also. है ना, like some 3 students are there right now, 3 members are there right now, like Utkarsh are there right now, and yes, creepy pie someone is also there. Okay, so let's begin with the wishing. I'm wishing you all a very happy Choti Diwali, and also wishing a very happy Diwali. Be safe, and enjoy your festival. Right now it's a very long holiday, so you can enjoy your holiday also. After that, the school will open. All the school will open from, I think, Friday, so you can spend your time with your family. You can enjoy this festival. You can lighting the colors, lighting the lamps and all diyas. Okay, chalo, let's start. So I am going to share my screen right now. I hope you can see the screen also. So here is my desktop. How cool is my desktop now? It's a hill scene, and I love hills. So it is a hill scene, and it's, I think, it's a morning time scene. It's a morning time scene, and for the HTML list I'm going to open a notepad right now. open a notepad and I'm going to start the coding. So how can I start the coding? So I'm going to open a HTML right now. HTML code open, and HTML is closed. Okay, and as you know that after the HTML there is a head section should be there, and head should be closed, and body is open, and body should be closed. So body open and body close. So this is the head, HTML open and HTML close, and head open, head close, body open, body close. Okay, so this is the main structure of HTML. You can see in your book also that it is written HTML5. Okay, HTML5 or doc type HTML. You can see doc type HTML also, so it is same, no issue. Whenever you can write this structure in your notepad, so very first you can save your file. So I am going to save this file. Now the question is, how can you save it? So just click on the file and click on the save option and go to any location. Suppose I am clicking on desktop, and the file name should be like web.html. Web.html is the file name. Okay, and then after you can just click on the all files option and click on save. Okay, done. So this is the structure. If you are new and you don't aware about this, what is this HTML, what is head, what is body, so these all are tags, HTML tags. If you wish to know about the HTML and HTML tags and how it works, so the complete video I can already upload it in my YouTube channel, right? This YouTube channel, A to Z with Soumik, and you can go to the Play Store and you will get the HTML tutorial in the Play Store. You can see easily about the what is the basic building blocks of the HTML and how can you start the HTML, what editors are there, okay, how many editors are required, so you can see easily. So in the head section there is a very unique one tag is there, like title. Title is always used for titling the web page. Okay, title. So what is the title? So like title is, suppose I am using like web page only, and you should also title should be closed. Okay, so HTML, then head, then title open, title close. So let me save this once again. Control S is the shortcut key. Control S is the shortcut key. So when you click on the Control S, the file is saved. Now where you have saved this file, your file is in the desktop, like web.html, and you just double click on this file. So you can see that there is nothing in this web page. It is a completely blank web page, but you can see in the title that it is mentioned web page. So how it is coming in this? Because in the notepad, in the title tag, we have written web page, that's why it is title. Okay, now the next thing is, suppose I wish to create a list. So very first that I have to create the I can change the title, like I am going to create a creating list in HTML. Suppose this is the title I have choose. So I just go to click Control plus S, press Control plus S, go to the Chrome browser once again and just refresh the page. Now you can see the title bar, it's written that creating list in HTML, creating list in HTML. Okay, so this is the title. Now we are going to start about the list. Now there are three different types of list it's available in the HTML. The very first list is called ordered list. The very first list is called what? Ordered list. Okay, so the very first list is called what? Ordered list. Ordered list. Second list is called unordered list, and the third list is called definition list. So there are three different types of list in HTML: ordered list, unordered list, and definition list. Okay, So in the order list, everything is in the order, not in the form like it's not coming in the alphabetic order. It means it's coming in the order in the sense that it the items of the list is coming with the serial number. Okay, the items are coming in the with the help of serial number. Okay, so like 1 2 3 4, it's not like कि अगर मैंने कोई list लिखा like apple, banana, mango, so it can be serially alphabetically organized. No, whatever list you are going to make, it will be available, but the serial number is available. This is called ordered list. Now the second thing is unordered list. Now what is the unordered list? Unordered list is the list where the list item can come along with the disk or the circle or the square. Okay, and the third, good afternoon, who's this? Okay, good afternoon. So so second is unordered list where the list is coming with the disk, square and circle. And the third type of list is there, which is called a description list. Okay, this list is coming whenever you are creating a list with a description. Okay, then the description list is coming. Okay, chalo, so let's start with coding again. So I'm going to start with order list. So suppose you want to create an order list, so you have to choose the OL option, and OL option, if you are choosing, then OL you have to close. And suppose you have to create a list item. LI means list item. So first list item means, suppose like you can write like subject names like Hindi, है ना, Hindi. So you can close the LI also. And then suppose you want to create another list item, so you can just write down LI, and you can write like maths, and you can close it also, LI. Okay, if you are right now in live session, so see, please mention your name so I can see that how many students are there right now. Okay, mention your name so I can speak your names also. So now it's very simple. List is created like ordered list, LI Hindi, LI maths. Okay, so what you can see when it will be available, now you can save it, control plus S. Now it can save. Open the browser and refresh the page. Now you can see the Hindi is coming with 1 and maths is 2. Now the good thing is, if you wish to create another list item, so you no need to write down the number 3, number 4, whatever. Suppose computer, you can write. So save it. So when I refresh it, now see 3 is already there, 3 computer is already there, so you no need to mention numbers. Okay, so this is called ordered list. Now I am going to tell you about some different attributes of ordered list, that like is a 1 2 3 is available. Can we get some different types of list numberings, like some of you can write ABCD, some of you can write Roman numbers, na? So can we do that? So answer is yes, with the help of some attributes, with the help of OL. So you can write down OL, and type is equal to, you can just write down small a. Now when I click the save button and I refresh the page, now see the effect, A, B and C small letter में आ रहा है, A, B and C. नेहा तिवारी, प्रवीण तिवारी, okay. Praveen Tiwari. Okay, who is this? Praveen Tiwari. Good. Okay, so you can see list is coming with the help with the serial number A, B and C listing. Okay, so now suppose I wish to create a number, serial number with the capital letters. So you just write down OL type is equal to capital A. Dear audience, if you have any doubt, you can write down your problems in chat box also. Okay, so suppose OL type is equal to capital I am writing, and let's see the output. Okay, how can I check the output? Just press the F5. Now you can see Hindi is coming in capital A, Maths is coming in capital B, and Computer is coming in capital C. Okay, so this is the output. So how many options we can see in the type attribute? So type attribute, either you can use 1, or you can use A, or you can use capital A. Okay, 3 options. Now I told you regarding the Roman numbers, you can also use. So Roman number 1, suppose you are using Roman number 1, so is it Roman number 1? Yes, you can see it is Roman number 1. See, so Roman number 1 is exactly look like capital I, है ना? So you just write down and press the Control S button and just refresh the page. Now you can see the 1, 2, 3 numbers is coming, है ना? Number 1, 2 and 3 is coming. Okay, so there are different types of Roman numbers are there. Like suppose I can use the small I, it is also a exactly Roman number 1. If I writing the small I, so exactly it is also Roman number 1. Now again it is, you can save and refresh the page. 1, 2 and 3 is coming, but in the Roman number with a small letters. Okay, so different types of Roman numbers are also there. So how many options we can check? We can put with the type attribute in the ordered list. So either you can use 1, either you can use small a, either you can use capital A, either you can use small I, either you can use capital I. So 5 different values of type attributes are available in HTML. You can use any one. So suppose I can use 1, and there is one more option like start is equal to, suppose you can write 10. So now let's see the effect. Now it is not coming from 1, it's coming from 10. It's coming from 10. So 10, 11, 12. How it's possible? Because you are using one attribute which is called start. Start is equal to 10. Start is equal to 10. Okay, there was one more option which is called reversed. Reversed. This is also one attribute, reversed. Now when I click on the refresh button, now you can see it is start from 10, but it is reversed when 10, 9, 8. It's not 10, 11, 12. It start from 10, but it's reversed from 10, 9 and 8. Okay, so this is all about the ordered list. Now I am going to show you the unordered list. Unordered list is very easy, very easy. You just need to write down the UL and just click on the UL, save it, and let's see. So you can see it is coming in the circle kind of point, you can say. So this is called disk. Okay, disk. So if you no need to write down the serial number, if you don't wish to write down the serial number, you can use unordered list. So for using unordered list, you can see the different types of list items are coming with the different types of bullets. So one of the bullets are oh my god, it's a holiday and it's very lazy day, right? It's a holiday actually, that's why. Yeah, you can see in my eyes also. Yeah, so so you can see Hindi, Maths and Computers are coming in the form of disk. Now suppose I wish to change the type, so you just write down the type is equal to square. So when you type is equal to square and just refresh it, now you can see the list item is coming with square bullets. One more option is coming like square. After square there is a circle. So when I save it, just refresh the page. Now you can see the items are coming with circles. Okay, done. And only this attribute is coming in the unordered list. Now I'm talking about the definition list. So if I wish to use a definition list, so definition list is means DL you want to create a DL. Now suppose I can create a DL, definition list, okay, or description list you can say actually. So you need to create a data term, DT. So suppose you can create a one item, like suppose you are so you can use DT means data term, and you can close the DT as well, data term open and data term close. So you just click on like computer, okay. So after the DT you have to define. So what you want to define, with the help of DD you can easily define what is computer. So you can write down the definition of computer in the DD tag. Understood? So suppose I wish to write something about computer, so you can write like that: the computer is an electronic device. Save it. I am saving it, Control S, and just refresh the page. Now you can see that it is written computer, and the definition is that the computer is an electronic device. Now suppose I wish to create one more data term. So I am just clicking on DT, sorry, and after that suppose I can use like suppose I can write the another subjects like maths, and if I wish to create some definition of maths, so I can write that the mathematics subject is the major subject in any class, suppose, okay, है ना. So I just refresh. Now you can see this kind of definitions you can see. So this is called definition list. So this is called definition list. Got it? So if you wish to create a term, so you can use DT, and if you wish to create a definition of it, so you can use DD. So three tags are combination of three tags. You can create a description list. First is DL, second is DT, and third is DD. DD means data definition, okay. So these are the options. After that I'm going to tell you about the nesting list also. So for the nesting list you just create any list like OL you can create, and OL close, OL open, and OL close, order list. You can save it, and suppose I can write down like mathematics. One attribute I can write like LI, and order list may suppose I can use anything. I can use like drink, है ना. One item I can use drink, and one item I can use like meal, है ना, meal होता है ना. तो एक ऑप्शन मैंने ड्रिंक डाल दिया, एक ऑप्शन में मिल्क कर दिया. लेट्स सी. तो ये कुछ ऐसा दिख रहा है, मिल्क और ड्रिंक. अब मुझे क्या करना है कि आई कैन राइट डाउन द अदर लिस्ट अंडर द ड्रिंक सेक्शन. सो इफ आई विश टू क्रिएट अ लिस्ट इन द ड्रिंक सेक्शन, remember one thing, that you cannot close the LI. If you wish to create another list in the drink section, you just not end the drink list item. Just before the ending you can start one more list. Either you can use order list or you can use unordered list, it's your choice. So I can use unordered list, and under the unordered list I just write down LI, and drink suppose I can write down milk. Milk is the good option for drink, and one more option like LI, and like cold drink, cold drink na? Now you can see the output. Now you can see in the number 1 is drink, and the two sub options is there, milk and cold drink. Milk and cold drink. Milk and cold drink is coming in the circle. Why? Because you are using unordered list, that's why. Okay, so randomly anything can come, either square is also come or circle is also come. Okay, so this is all about the nested list. So you can create one more list in the meal section also. So in the drink section you can create milk and cold drink. So in the you can say in the meal section you can also create a kind of meal. Okay, got it? Atharv, good evening Atharv. So Atharv, I am telling you about the HTML list. If you have any doubt, so you can ask. Okay, Atharv is also there right now. Atharv is in class 10th. So this is called nested list. Now I am going to tell you about the table. Sir, please teach CSS. Yes, sure. So I'm telling you one CSS option in this list. Okay, so suppose if I wish to, this is called nested list, and suppose I wish to, I'm telling you one nested list option. Okay, suppose it is the option like drink and meal. So I'm just writing unordered list. Okay, UL. Now let's see. So it is the unordered list, drink and meal. Drink and meal. Now if I wish to apply some styles in this page, and I don't want this kind of bullet, I want a kind of logo, or I want to insert some icons or logos there. So suppose I wish to insert A to Z with Somic logo instead of this disk. So how can I do this? So I can apply CSS as Atharv said. So I am going to apply the CSS. So how can I apply the CSS? After the just title, you just write down the style tag, and style tag should be close. Okay, and there is one more option that you are working in the under UL. So if you wish to change the UL, because you are going to apply the style in the UL section, है ना? So you have to write down the UL. This is called selector, UL selector, and there is an option that list dash style dash type colon. Now suppose it is the UL, by default is disk. No, you can use circle. So if you can use circle, okay, if you can use a circle, then save it, and now you can apply it. Is it working? Circle. Now I am saving it. Unordered list style type colon circle. It should be applicable. Unordered list, it is not applicable. Now there should be a problem. Style 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 UL list style type colon circle. UL is there, everything is perfect. Unordered list, so list style type colon SQUARE. Let's see. Now see. Now you can see that it is coming in the square option. Okay, so I can apply the square option with the help of CSS. Now how is it possible? Just I can write down UL, and there is a one property which is called a list dash style dash type colon square. So when I can write this thing, so square will available. If I can write circle, so I refresh it, now you can see that it is circle. And one more option, I can use disk. So when I refresh it, you can see it is disk. Now the second thing is that suppose I wish to use a logo, then this option is not available right now. So you can change the type. So there is one more attribute which is called list image type or something like that. Let me check in this also. Wait a minute. So there should be a option. Yes, yeah, I got it. List style image. So sorry. So list dash style dash image colon. Now you can create a image. Now you just write down URL. Okay, you just write down the URL and you can set a picture. So suppose I wish to create a logo. So where is my logo? So I just download the logo from the option. Suppose I wish to create this one, or suppose this one, or this one suppose. So I just copy this and I paste it. Now you can see the image name should be A, suppose. So I can write down like a.jpg. Okay, a.jpg, and the single and comma I can use. Save it. Now let me check, is it working or not. It is working, but it's so huge, huh? Now see, so huge background image, because this image is useful for background. That's why see the drink option is available and meal also is also available, but you can see it is very huge. So you can try to create some very small, like whenever double click on this image, you can open it with photo, and now you can see the image size is too big. So you should resize the image. So you just resize the image, and the resized image should be very less, very less. Okay, like define, and quality should be very 10% low, and the width should be 10 pixel to 10 pixel, and save a resize file. I just save it in the desktop. Now see, it's resized with A to Z, and I just refresh the page. Now you can see it's A to Z with Somic. Now you can see the logo, because I can just resize the image size. It's very low. That's why you can't see. So this is the option. With the help of, you can easily create a image or a logo in the URL. Okay, got it? Any doubt you can ask. So I hope you can get the this option. With the help of CSS, you can easily modify your list serial number or items. Okay, thank you so much. So this is from today. If you have any doubt, you can write down any comment on this section, and I can see if it is okay. So this is from my side for today. Thank you so much for joining the live session. I hope you get some good knowledge, good information from my side. Thank you so much. Chalo, take care, bye bye, and I wish you a very happy Diwali to all. Thank you.